Hello, and welcome to Wildlife Extreme with the new Danger Extraordinaire, Curt Lesley.
Gotta catch a snail, you gotta think like a snail.
He does a load of wildlife stuff. With his new best mate, Danger. And doing a load of stuff and looking like a madman.
Why do people sniff things or taste things? It doesn't tell me anything about how close the thing is.
I'm surviving treacherous situations. And being really manly, doing manly stuff like not throwing petals around the field.
Gotta heal yourself from stings. A bit of a stingy nettle.
And nothing will stop him now.
Nothing can stop me!
On the new show coming to a television near you, Wildlife Extreme.
Alright, for the first episode, we've gone inside this house, because it's just kind of broke inside. Cameraman, could you point the camera? There we go, up there. Look, that's where we're going. We're gonna get some nature. Dangerous stairs. Like, could you record over there? Yeah, now let's go and see our first strange creature. Alright, if you thought you had an empty house, you're wrong. Because it's completely inhabited. They could probably hear me. They're probably calling the police right now. Let's go into this room.
Right, look at this. Hand is massive.
Come here.
What?
And here we have the strange Fortniteolopicus. The small kid who's in his room on Fortnite, and I'm spying on in direct sight, but you can't tell if I'm here or not.
Yeah, no.
What a weirdo. Now, let's scour this room. That was a close call. It nearly noticed us. Alright, now we'll enter this room. Let's see what's in here. Got some music on. Look at this terrifying thing. That was a dog Maximus. Now they're always going wild, trying to get everywhere, jumping everywhere. Oh no, they're not barking at me. But yeah, it's a whole lot of danger. What are you doing in my house? Oh, we gotta get out, guys. And here we have the Humanius Maximus.
There's nothing there.
Well, I can see it right there. It's a person.
No, don't see anything.
It's taking too much of my medicine. Anyway, we've got to get into the forest so we can't be caught by the people, like, they're kind of chasing us down. As you see, as I climb up this massive, treacherous mountain. Ah, look. I've conquered Mount Everest here. Look at this thing. Can you climb this?
No.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, glad I didn't break my legs. Alright. Well, I found it. Very rare life form. Plant called a tree. See this? It's definitely not around me. This is a tree. They're all fake trees. Just trying to join the tree trend. This is the original tree. This is original content here of trees. Why are you still filming? Alright, now, come over here. Look at all this. Is it grass or a swamp? What do you think?
Maybe that's a donkey.
What?
Ask a donkey. You know, they know everything about swamps.
Yeah, there aren't any donkeys in this country. That's a different thing. Well, that's it. If you're gonna ask a donkey, there aren't any donkeys. So you gotta find a donkey. You gotta think like a donkey. Get on your knees. Not you. This is my show. Well, not eating grass. That's all we can do. Oh, yes, we can just. Oh, it's squelchy. No, it's squelchy. That's the swamp. Wait. Why are we trying to find a donkey when we could have just stepped on a bit?
But what about shoes?
Oh, yeah. Well, just like step on the edge. Is it a bit soft?
I'm not stepping on the edge.
Look, it's all squelchy and soft. None's going on my shoes. It's not too much.
I have to put them.
Alright, look at this. Here we have the Camaro sapien in its natural habitat, slacking off. Got a phone there. Wait, how much time has this camera got left on it?
0 minutes.
What? We barely filmed anything.
Yep.
Hello, now welcome back to my show. Now, as you can see, I'm filming now. The cameraman just kind of left his job. You have to pay people nowadays. Why can't you just go without paying them? And anyway, I'm hiding under this. I'm in the back garden of that house that I kind of broke into, so I'm kind of hiding from them. But there's some grass there. Look at it. Good old grass. And as you can see here, I'm wearing camouflage. That means it can camouflage into anything. So, great survival tip. If you're wearing camouflage, you've got to do this. To hide from everyone, just lay down on the grass. No one will find you. Oh no. Oh. Guys. It's the great beast. Look at it. Oh, it's touching me. It's touching me. Alright, beast, come here. Untamed beast, I shall tame you. Hey, come on. Gotta keep the camouflage on so they don't notice me. Hear me, can't see. Come on. Coward. I nearly got a beast. What if it did get me? Oh no, the other one's there. No, don't get to my camera. No, down the camera. Alright, another long story why I'm in here. The beast, the other beast knocked down the camera, and the people in the house know that I was there. I don't know how they got past the camouflage, but they know where I am. I just want to say, I'm about to die. Danger.